pumunta ako sa Raraya Bypass Road in Quezon. We visited Quezon Province last week to inaugurate. Nagbisita kami doon sa Raraya Bypass Road. Napakaganda ho nito. It is a new 7.42 kilometer bypass road. Starts at the Manila South Road, Daang Maharlika Road, and ends at the Quezon Eco Tourism Road. The completion of this project is a testament to the, well, let us give also honor to mga nagtatrabaho, yung nagpapala doon ng ilang buwan, and of course the expertise of government, yung nasa DPWH, pati lalo na kay Secretary Villar, sa one of the most outstanding government official at present.